For some, learning to use your new hearing aid might seem a little overwhelming. I mean, it's a small device that can do a lot. And how do I learn it all? If you're feeling a little overwhelmed, the best advice is to make it easy for yourself by focusing on the three most important things. One, how to turn your hearing aid on and off. Two, how to charge your hearing aid or change the battery. And three, how to turn the volume up and down. If you've mastered that, you're doing great. And from here, you should learn how to keep your hearing aid clean and how to use the app on your mobile phone. Remember, your hearing aids are an essential part of your everyday life. And even though your hearing aid was built to handle an active lifestyle, you still may be nervous about damaging or losing your hearing aid. Our best advice is to always place your hearing aid in either the charging case or a small box when you're not using them. Then you won't lose them or risk squeezing or bending them when they're in your pocket or bag. When you need to learn something new about your hearing aid, rehearsal is always the best approach. And if you just spend a few minutes a day practicing what you've learned, it'll be easier to make your hearing aid a part of your everyday life.